Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another products I've used up video. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull at random. You guys know the drill. If you're not new here, I just save all of my beauty trash and like to review it for you guys, let you know, did I love it, did I not, would I repurchase it, do I recommend it, and give you a little rundown of how I used it and whatnot. So let's get into it. No specific order, I'm just gonna pull and chat. So these videos are super helpful in terms of like reviews and letting you know. Obviously favorites videos are fun to see what's new and in like now, but did I actually finish it? Did I use it? What are my thoughts? Am I gonna repurchase it? So let's do it. So first thing, I'm so sad about, you guys, because I already wanted to repurchase this. I've been looking for months to repurchase it and they no longer make it in this large thing. So I do need to know, is this the same as the like mini one in like that green squeezy container? I think I'm just gonna get it and see if it is cool. If not, I'm gonna return it or use it. Maybe I'll love it too. But this is the Ived Paradise Self Tanning Butter. So good. I used to get this on QVC. I've had 2 of these, I wanna say. They last a super long time. It's a tanning, it's not a gradual tanner because you do notice that you're tan like immediately. I love this. It gives me a glow to my skin. The color is beautiful and I'm so sad it's over. It's hydrating. I love it. So sad about this. So if you can find this, jump on it, grab it. If you can't and you've had it before, is the green one the same? If not, I will get it and I will update you guys and let you know all the things. But overall, this is my favorite tanning butter that I've ever found. And it's such an affordable price. Ived Paradise is such a good, affordable tanning line. This guy, seen better days. This is the Tula, the Cult Cleanser. This is such a good cleanser. I love this for the shower. Whether I'm showering at night and needing to remove all of my makeup, this will do the trick. I just do a double cleanse. Or if I'm just like rinsing off my skin after I've gone from the gym and I have like SPF and vitamin C on it. This one I really liked because it has a gentle lactic acid in it, so it gently exfoliates without feeling like it's exfoliating at all. It's not tingly, it's not burny, it doesn't have grits in it, nothing like that. It's just so good. I already have another one already in my shower. It's so good. It's a creamy consistency. It does lather really well, but it doesn't dry out or strip the skin at all. It's just such a good basic cleanser and it lasted me forever, you guys. I think Scott uses it as well, but so good. I always have a running discount code for them. I will link it right here as well as in the description box down below. It is always 15% off. So if you have not tried, it's 15% off. So if you have not tried Tula, check this guy out. I finally used up, sad days, the LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Y'all, this stuff is good. It smells amazing. It's very like menthol-y, sort of cooling delightfulness, spa-like. It's a thick butter. So one thing I will note about this, if you have contacts in and you are seriously blind like this girl, like I can't see anything, I have to wash my face with my contacts in. I just seriously need to get LASIK eye surgery, but this will like stick on my contacts. So note that. Do not use this if you have contacts, or remove your contacts like before, or if you can't see, directly after, because it will like irritate and sit on the contact lens. But besides that, this is like so good. I love how luxurious this is. It's so amazing. And honestly, I'll be on the lookout for a QVC deal so I can pick up another one of these because I love this LMS butter, or cleansing balm. I feel like LMS is just like very luxury skincare, but you can get some good deals on it and it can be affordable, so love that. This next product I've used multiple times before and I love, you guys know Dr. Jart's Ceramide line is my absolute favorite line like ever, honestly. They're a Korean skincare brand. But overall, this was a very lightweight moisturizer that didn't sit on my skin, which is like my biggest pet peeves with lotion, is it just like sits on your skin. Or it's so lightweight that it doesn't do anything. Do you know what I mean? This sunk into my skin without any fragrance, without any glitter, without anything. Just sank into my skin, hydrated it deep. I love this. So I wait typically and buy like their like holiday kits around the holidays where you can get this plus like the face lotion and the toner, or the face cream and toner. But if you have significantly dry skin, body or face, try the Ceramide and Dr. Jart line. You can get it at Sephora. It's my all-time favorite. I have another lotion. Psych, I have another lotion after this. But this is the Nivea, I picked this up, the original daily moisturizer, 48 hour hydration, I don't know. It's good. It does sit on my skin a tiny bit, and it has that like medicinal lotion sort of smell. I don't know, it's good, I like it. I use it typically before bed. I won't put this on during the day and wear it because the smell is a little bit overpowering for me, and it doesn't like sink in to the skin. I find that it kind of sits on my skin, so it depends. In the winter, I can kind of get away with it, but typically what I'll do is I'll shower at night, put it on, put on my jammies, and then in the morning, it's not so thick, it's soaked into my skin, so I can work out without feeling like a slime ball. Makes sense? Good product. Would potentially repurchase again. Yeah, I would probably repurchase it again because I bought a Eucerin one that I absolutely hate, so I like this over the Eucerin one. I'm always on a quest for finding the best lotions, and this one has been one of my favorites. So this is the only thing I hate about this is there's so many ingredients and some of it's kind of crap, but this is such a good lotion, body butter, whatever. This is the Trader Joe's coconut butter body butter. I started by trying the pumpkin one, and I want to say this is my second coconut one. I think I've gone through 3. This is thick, but it soaks into the skin. Like, I can wear this during the day, have no issues at all because it soaks in my skin and hydrates my skin. I love this product. I honestly, sadly, have not been going to Trader Joe's. Like, I don't think I've been in like 3 weeks. Because I've switched grocery stores just because I've had really terrible produce luck with them recently. So I haven't picked this up, but I will next time I go in because it's just so good. My only complaint is you don't get enough products because I go through them so fast. But yes, if you have a Trader Joe's in your area, pick it up. Highly, highly, highly recommend that body butter. Oh, I have 2 more Tula products. This is part of their holiday collection, so I'm sure that they don't have it anymore, but their scrubs are good no matter what. So I will link their scrubs that they have all the time. It is such a fine exfoliation. It's a sugar scrub. My favorite high-end exfoliator used to be the Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion exfoliator, and this has the same consistency, but it actually breaks down, which I enjoy because it's not like plastic particles, bad for you, whatever. So I enjoyed this so much. I have 3 other from that collection, or 2 others. I have the peppermint one I'm currently using, and then I have a plum one, but this has been so good. I exfoliate probably 1 to 3 times, or 2 to 3 times a week, and this has been really nice. Like I said, it's a sugar, so it does gently like come off. So I start with just very damp, or very like, not damp, but like slightly damp skin, not wet, damp. And then I rub it in because you can really, like, the sugar won't dissolve super fast if your skin isn't like soaking wet. And then I go in and add more water to it and emulsify the sugar, and it's just amazing. So if you haven't tried their scrubs, highly recommend. And I have another Tula product. If you can't tell, I like Tula. I really truly only work with brands that I really love, and Tula has been one of my top skincare brands that I've been loving this month, or the past year almost. This is their Mineral Magic Sunscreen. This is my second bottle that I've gone through. So good. I will repurchase this again. It has like a peachy tint to it. I don't know if you can tell on the cap. But it blends away, so it does give you a little bit of color correcting, but nothing crazy. I love this specifically for summertime because it is like a matte sort of like flat, not overly hydrating sunscreen, so I love this. But I have currently switched to back to the Ulta MD for the summer because it's like or for the winter because it is a like thick cream, so it feels like a moisturizer and a sunscreen all in one, so I like that for the gym. But overall, like if I'm layering sunscreen throughout the day, this is my go-to. All right, sticking with some skincare, I used up the Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster. It's vitamin C with vitamin E and ferulic acid. I did really like this product. Honestly, vitamin C's are hard because they do really good stuff, but I just feel like they're not doing anything miraculous. Like they don't lighten up dark spots that I already currently have, but they do help from preventing, or they help prevent new ones from happening. So it's hard to be like, yes, it's the best, but honestly, I didn't get any new dark spots, so clearly it did its job. I love this. I probably will repurchase it. Currently, I'm back to using my Tula vitamin C. But this one was a good one. It's affordable-ish. Vitamin C's are pricey, but affordable-ish. So I did like this. I picked it up at Sephora, and I would probably repurchase it again. I used up another, this is my third Divi hair serum. I really enjoyed this, or scalp serum, not hair serum. I don't know. I didn't repurchase it yet. I haven't decided if I'm going to. I do think it helped with some growth. I really, honestly, y'all, only bought it to see growth in these little like sideburn areas, and I never had hair there, so I can't say that it wouldn't work for you if you needed hair growth situation, because I've seen so many people that it works on. I don't know, I just don't know if I noticed enough of a difference to justify spending, you know, 50 bucks a month on it, because that's what it is. So I don't know, I'm still on the fence with it. Still on the fence. It's good. I obviously purchased it 3 times. I'm just debating if I want to purchase it again, because it really hasn't helped my psoriasis either, which again, it doesn't claim to do that, but that's what I was hoping for as well. If it had fixed my psoriasis, not done hair growth, been fine. Did the other way, would have been fine. So I don't know. I'm on the fence with it still, you guys. I finished up a Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I don't even know how many of these I've purchased. They're good. It's such a good powder. It doesn't leave me oily. It doesn't leave me dry or flaky and creaky and all that stuff. It's just really good product. So I already have one and have another one in backup as well. Beauty blender, but this isn't a beauty blender. It's like one of those Amazon dupes. These are my favorite sponges. Love them. Already have a new one. This one was just like once in a while, I feel like once it's old, the product just doesn't fully wash out. This obviously is completely dirty. So that's when I know it's time to switch. But overall, love these sponges. They're like less than 10 bucks for like 5 or 6 of them. So much better of a deal than the beauty blenders, obviously, and I notice 0 difference. I finished up a hair mask. This is the JVN Nurture Deep Moisture Mask. I grabbed this collection. I have the shampoo and the conditioner, and it also came with the mask. I grabbed this because it did say that it helped people with dandruff. It's just a super moisturizing line, but it specifically, this isn't an empty, but this is what I was getting, and then this came, like, I purchased it with it. This is the pre-shampoo hair oil mask situation, scalp situation, and I love it. This I did really like. So for me, in terms of what I want from a like deep conditioning mask, is obviously softness, but I also want to make sure that like in the winter, my hair can get super staticky, but if I'm using really hydrating products, I don't have that issue. So did really like this. I think I was only able to use it like 3 times because it's not a ton. I will say I hate like tin, like what do you call these? Like containers, because I feel like you just get too much product or not enough, and it's just a mess. So I don't really love these containers, but I guess it's not the end of the world. I finished my favorite lash serum. This is the Grande Lash. Love this stuff. I've been using it quite a bit recently, and when you use it regularly, you notice a difference. It takes a while to kick in, and then I've just been maintaining it for a while now. I will say I would repurchase this. I've repurchased it a million times, but I did pick up Rapid Lash last time I was at Ulta, so I'm gonna be trying that now instead of this guy to see if I notice a difference. It's about $10 cheaper, nothing crazy. I wanna say back when I first started using it, when I was like out of college, it was like 30 bucks, so it's crazy that it's gone up so high. But lash serums specifically, you guys, I cannot stress enough, you can find Rapid Lash for super cheap at like Amazon and things like that. Just make sure you're getting it from the reputable, like actual Amazon store is Rapid Lash or Grande Lash. Don't get it from a different seller. You have no idea what's in it, and you're legitimately putting it on your eyes. It's not in your eyeballs, but it's like some of it could probably get in there. So it's very, very important that you don't skimp to try to save a couple bucks. Like I said, I bought mine from the actual Ulta store or actual Sephora store. You can also get it on Amazon as long as it's the reputable brand. So that's just my 2 cents when it comes to things like that. This product, if you watch any of my videos, you know I wear this every single day. It's the Benefit Professional. I typically get the larger bottle, but they were doing like a buy one or maybe they were 50% off or something, I don't know. So I grabbed the small one. Already have a new one. It's my go-to primer. I wear it every single day. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I will still kind of use it during my, or in my little pore areas. It's just awesome. It helps my makeup stay and it blurs imperfections and things like that. Used up my little set here. This is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial, one of my favorite products of all time. It's basically a super exfoliating mask. You leave it on for 20 minutes. If you haven't tried it, honestly, highly recommend trying it. They come with a baby one as well, but it's really good. I don't know how to explain it. It helps with blackheads, helps with wrinkles, helps with discoloration. It's clears out the pores as well. So if you suffer with acne, whatnot, I love it. I use the Bee Hydra afterwards with it. This is a hydrating serum, but it also has brightening effects to it, so it's super good. I think I've probably gone through like 10 bottles of this, no lie. I'm currently using, in my rotation of this, the Ordinary peeling solution, and I like it. I think I used it too much and it was a little harsh, so I stopped using it a little bit, but yeah, I don't know. I think I'll still repurchase this again when Sephora does like a sale or something, because it's pricey, but it's really good. And if you haven't tried it out, highly recommend. But like I said, right now I'm just trying out the peeling solution from Ordinary to see if that will become in the rotation of that, because they do the same thing essentially. And then last but not least, a cream. I have the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I think I've gone through 3 tubs of these throughout the years. It's really good, super hydrating. I really like it paired over or under makeup. A little bit goes a super long way. This is very oily based. If you have really oily skin, I wouldn't recommend it. If you have very dry skin, I would. It's good, it's pricey, it's cute, it's sweet. But yeah, it's been good. Scott used a ton of it, so that's why I finished it a lot faster. But overall, Tatcha's skincare is some of my favorite. I love Japanese-based skincare products. So those are all of my empties. It's everything I've used up over the last little while since I've done my last one. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do like these videos, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. It helps me know that you guys are curious to see more reviews on products that I've finished up. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!